Interactive Business Training offers wonderful workshops in Microsoft Excel. Let's discover what our Microsoft Excel Part 2 workshop can offer you. Part 2 of our Excel workshop covers the function categories using range names and formulas, formula auditing, table components, protecting files, and organizing data. We will cover the categories of functions available to you in Excel. These include functions such as financial, logical, statistical, engineering, and web functions. Using range names and formulas, understanding formula auditing, comprehending the table components of references. How to protect your worksheets and spreadsheets. Organizing data with charts and pivot tables. Many businesses use Excel every day, and with this workshop, you can continue learning this valuable tool.